Well, we're here at Tony's.
No, it's not my house.
At Tony's place. And we're gonna start doing the transmission flush. We got new oil. Always use the right oil. Don't cheap out. And we're going to replace the Detent springs. I've heard a lot of good things about this lately, and why not? Let's try them. This is the car that we're taking to Laguna Seca, and we're just trying to put everything on point and see if there's any leaks and whatnot. So yeah.
Oh wow. Okay. We got one. Here's one. And I think this is the one that you said
The leaks.
Yeah. Alright, y'all, so we just took out, as Felix told you, we are replacing the Detent springs with the hybrid racing ones. And we watched some videos and they said when you remove these from the bottom of the transmission to do it very slowly, because you don't want to lose these, because I don't think you can get these anywhere else anymore. But yeah, we got them out, trying to stay organized. So this would be the old one and this would be the new one. Yeah, you could tell right away. It's a lot. These are a lot stiffer. These are from Hybrid Works. I hope I didn't say Speed Factory or something like that.
Hybrid racing.
Oh yeah, Hybrid Racing. Hybrid Works. There's a company that's Hybrid Works, right?
The tuner in Vallejo.
Oh, okay. But yeah, for the B series, they give you 3, but you only need to use 2. If you guys saw the other video on the channel, on the K series you do all 3, but on the B series you only do 2. So simple install, pretty quick. Get this back on like that. Bearing goes up, come back up, and
it goes back in.
Pretty much good to go. So we're gonna take care of that, put everything back on, and then like Felix said, get the flush to have fresh fluid for the track day, and on to the next project, which is, what is it, sir?
The roll bar?
Yeah, Felix is getting a roll cage.
It's not because I'm a fast guy or experienced driver, but I like the looks of everything. Track related, whatever. I like race car.
So yeah, for this one, same thing. We're removing the old spring, the new spring. Careful with the bearing. And everything goes back in reverse order. And we should be good to go. Gotta be slow. Damn hands are shaking. Yeah, you can feel like super, it's harder. And then the bolt for the D10 springs is a 12mm, so just gonna always don't go Hercules. That feels good. That's good. And that's it.
Alright.
D10 spring replaced. And now on to flush out
the fluid.
What are you doing, pa? Same. What are you doing?
Going all the way up. Like, turning myself up.
Update, sir. Updates.
You just got done changing the oil on the transmission. We had to go to the store, grab a new crush washer. Luckily, we found one close to the
right size or the diameter.
Size. Yeah. And then I just ordered some food. Next step, take out the seat to start figuring out how to how to bolt this thing up, the roll bar. It looks, like you said, pretty straightforward. 3 bolts on the front on each side, and 3 bolts, or I think it's 4 bolts on the rear legs, but we're about to find out, so we'll see.
Yeah. All right, y'all, so seat is out. Where's the seat at, Jefe?
Over there.
Oh, seat's right there. Seat's out. So what we gotta do is kind of test fit it, figure out how we're gonna mount the roll cage and the legs to, what do they call? What do you call those, Jefe?
The rear ones?
Or like where they get mounted? And it's like the fender, the wheel well?
Wheel well.
Oh yeah. Wasn't too sure.
Don't worry, guys. It'll be painted eventually. We're just trying to hurry up everything for the track, have everything ready so the guys can work on their cars too. This is one of the biggest things I want to do to my car, and hopefully we'll get it done today.
Yep, I think we should. It's pretty straightforward.
So like you see here, it's only 3 bolts on the front legs, and for the rear legs 3 bolts as well. So right here.
Should be pretty good. Should be pretty good. I got the battery charged.
This is an auto power roll bar. I got it a while ago. I got it for super cheap down in Fresno. The guy was really nice. He let it go for super cheap. That's why I drove down there.
How much you get it for?
200. They usually go for like 400 feet, for 450, even 500. I got this one for 200.
You even do your laundry, however?
Yeah.
It's drying his towel.
Drying my towel. Yeah, so I don't get the strut bar scratch or whatnot.
Alright, cool. Still gotta get to work.
Alright.
What up, everybody? Just giving you guys an update because we've been having a headache with this roll cage, but we are in the midst of the end for this roll cage install. But yeah, we were having an issue in regards to lining it up first before we mark our holes to make these cuts. But for the most part, I think we got it. We had an issue where you want to bring it in, Jefe?
Yeah. The rear legs?
The rear legs were the ones that were giving us the issue. I believe this one and the other side, we had them reversed because there's 2 holes on the bottom and 1 hole on the top. So it seemed to be that there was only one way that it could go on. But now we are seeing that the plates are pretty flat on the wheel wells, and the location that we have on the bottom, they seem to be spot on.
We even thought it was like a different... for like a different model or something.
Yeah, I kept telling Felix, like, are you sure this is for in
DC?
But he assured it, so we kept going at it. Luckily, we are already marking our holes. We're gonna make these cuts, lift up the rear, take off the wheels, and finish the install real quick. So we got that, and then I believe we still got some
just some pedal covers.
Some pedal covers that Don Gabi wants, because he needs to make sure he got his heel toe down for tracking. But yeah, those are the main things. So, what is it? Detent springs done, transmission fluid done, roll cage almost done, and the pedal covers are gonna be done, and that'll be it for today. So, some progress is better than no progress. So
always.
Let's get it done.
All
right, y'all. Like Don Gabi said, we went full sand, so we're committed. Bolts, holes are already drilled here. Holes are drilled there. You guys can't see it that well, but they are drilled here and on the other side. So what we're gonna do now, mount everything back up, line everything back up, put the hardware on. We're gonna lift the car, remove the wheels, and put back on those plates that are provided by Auto Power, and that should be pretty much it.
That's how I confirm that this was the correct size and roll bar, because I called directly to Auto Power. There's a serial number on one of the plates that goes on the bottom, and you have to provide that number to the seller so you can be sure you have the right part.
Damn. Keep saying that we're putting a jungle gym in here. But yeah, hopefully we can get all this installed. I'm gonna put you guys on a hyperlapse while we put all this together and come back on the next step. This video is sponsored by Hot and Ready Pizza. Just like Don Gabi, always hot and ready, huh? Alright, y'all. This is where we are at. Currently, the roll cage is in. All the holes are lined up. Which we're super pumped because we can finish this up. Holes there. Hardware there. Hardware there. And hardware there. So, we just got to get these on with the plates. And we should be ready to go, ready to rock and roll. This should be on. And happy to make some progress, right, Jefe? Yeah. This goes back on, and if anything, we're going to leave the seat off to have more room to do the pedals. We'll do that, and then we'll probably go for a little road test around the great state of Patterson. Because that's what it feels like out here. Like it's just the whole damn state. There's nobody out here. But yeah, for the most part, that should be it. And we're one step closer to getting this car to Don Gabi standards of real OEM built, Type R, clean built, Don Gabi customs. Big shout out to Navarro GP Racing Inc. He's probably gonna get mad if he watches this. Whoa. There we go. The Navarro GP Racing Series motorcycle. Coming to a track near you. But yeah, Don Gabi, look at that smile. Look at that smile, super happy. All right, let's get back to work. Officially, it's a wrap for the roll cage. Fully bolted in. Gabi, how you liking it?
It looks fucking badass.
But yeah, yeah, fully bolted on.
You just need paint.
At least yeah, just the back.
I know I missed a big spot right there.
Not that noticeable.
I have all the fuel and ABS wiring and shit to remove, but it'll be done eventually. Just wait. Yeah,
I think we're gonna try to see if we can find something to slit this. If not, probably Don Gabi's gonna do it. Damn burp. He's gonna do this on his own time to be able to get this carpet to go over like that. But yeah, I mean that's pretty much a wrap, and that should be it for today. Tired. All right, y'all. So here is the final verdict. Don Gabi decided to adjust his seat because he's having issues with that. But for the pedal assembly wise, because of the drill bit that I brought, we can't drill all the way through the pedal. If we keep going on the drill bit, since it's a step drill, it's gonna make the hole a lot bigger, and then the rivet will not fit, and then we're gonna be basically screwed. So that's gonna be for another day. But for the most part, all that he's gonna do is adjust the seating, or the positioning of his seat, and we're pretty much done. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Don Gabi, you wanna say it later?
Thank you all for watching. Stay posted to the channel. Everything's coming.
Yeah. So yeah, for at least we got some progress on this. So you guys can see it out. Check it out here at the Navarro Racing Inc. headquarters. But yeah, you guys saw the progress, and we got some more stuff to show you guys. Some of the other guys are working on their videos, so we will have more content up, as well as me with the TSX. So just keep, you know. Fail. But yeah, just stay posted. We got a lot more coming through, so we'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace. Anything for that right picture, huh, sir?